Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very beautiful and classy, and at the same time easy and trendy ideas are shared in this video to give you a very beautiful and creative look. Friends, I am sharing very pretty, easy to make hand embroidery neckline design ideas, hand embroidery shirts, hand embroidered tulips, hand embroidered tunic tops, hand embroidered short, long, medium length kurtis, shirts, frocks, gowns, blouses, and much more. Even hand knitted material. You can make all these very beautiful and pretty embroidery patterns. Friends, the beauty of these patterns is that they are very beautifully and delicately designed and made while choosing a very beautiful ideas of hand embroidery thread colors and embroidery patterns. Every beginner who is in search of finding or getting some creative and beautiful ideas related to hand embroidery must try these design patterns. Yes friends, I request you again, and I would suggest it that you kindly do try these patterns because all of them are very pretty and beautiful and easy to make. So for summers you can make these patterns onto your sleeveless long and deep neck shirts, and for office or formal outfits you can make these very beautiful embroidery patterns onto your high necks, collars, band, round neck shirts. And you can pair up these very beautiful shirts along with your bottoms, trousers, pants, cigarette pants, and flexible soft plazos or tights as well. Friends, the beauty of these designs is that all of these designs are very pretty, and at the same time these are highly designer style, designer inspired handmade shirt design ideas. And the beauty, one more thing that attracts its beauty in a more exquisite way, is that you can make these patterns by utilizing your leisure time, your free time, with the focused attention of only 3 to 4 sittings. So I would suggest you that this video is or you could think, or you can think it in a perspective that this video is an opportunity or option for you to get creative and easy, less effort required, more beautiful designer style neckline, hand embroidery shirts, bottoms, or dress designing ideas for those who are embroidery beginners, and as well as for those who are embroidery artists. They have a professional business and they are looking for highly designer style designs that require very less effort and a short span of time. They could make them very productive and beautiful. So I would request you again friends that kindly do try these patterns and share with your friends and family who are also lovers of embroidery to kindly do try these patterns. I bet that you would like these patterns and you would be amazed to make these patterns, and everybody would praise you and ask you from where or from which highly paid designer you have got all these amazing and beautiful patterns. So if you want to get more creative, trendy and easy, stylish and funky ideas related to women fashion, dress designing, hand art like hand embroidery, silk ribbon embroidery, machine embroidery, gota work, mirror work, fabric painting, applique work, or much more related to Eastern, Asian, Western style dress designing, summer dresses, winter dresses, intermixed dresses, much more related to women fashion like girls fashionable accessories, dress designing, footwear, handbags, nail art, mobile covers, hand knitting material, crochet art, and much more, with a wide variety of jewelry designs, original gemstones, information, and much more. So if you really are a fashion freak, fashion person, or a woman with the latest zeal and beautiful trend of easy to make own designer dresses by sitting at home in a very low cost at affordable prices, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you really like the designs, kindly don't forget to like my video. If you are new to my channel or you are watching my video for the first time or seeing my content for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And one more thing friends, please do support us and keep supporting us like this as you always have been. Keep spreading your love to us as you always support us, suggest us what to do, like our ideas, give your opinions, share your choices and interests with you, share your demands with us, that what you want us to show you or what you want us to teach you in respect of women fashion. So with this, allow me to leave, but friends, you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end so that you could get all sort of different, very beautiful a merger and combination of sweet, decent, delicate, elegant colors, bright colors, and light and dark combination based easy patterns, and much more. And friends, please keep it in your minds that take care of yourselves and your loved ones, and kindly do make a habit of wearing masks while going out. I have shown you, I have shared a lot of number of wide variety of mask design ideas only to keep you protected from dangerous and very pandemic situations, that is a coronavirus COVID-19. And stay happy, make others happy, because happiness is the cost to success. And spread positivity, be positive, and help your loved ones to achieve their goals. And take care of your friends and family. And once again, I'm requesting you that kindly do watch my videos on daily basis, because I try my level best to share latest, trendy, amazing, and eye-catching ideas with you on daily basis. So I hope that my today's video was helpful for you. You have gotten very amazing and trendy ideas, and specifically this video was intended to make for the ones who are new, who are beginners of embroidery, or who are in search of beautiful, trendy, and stylish but easy to make embroidery patterns and ideas. So stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching my content. Hope to see you soon in a new content with a new video.